What up, y'all? 989 Slapper here in the building. Crusty head and all, crusty dreads. So we got our Ground Zero, Hydrogen 15, 2 ohm. Now we're gonna be swapping it out for our American base Godzilla 15. The RMS on this was 1750, 3500 max power. We going way to 4700 watts RMS, not max power, RMS. Our RMS is 12,000 watts. Y'all see I got her out here on the movers little pallet, cause man, I'm not gonna tell y'all no stories. I can pick this box up, but I can tell y'all once I put this up, I'm not moving it. I'm telling y'all, I am not moving it. This thing is a monster. Godzilla in a box for sure. My goodness. So we're gonna go ahead and take this out right quick, get it swapped out. And then slap it. That's the only thing we got to do after that, baby. Let's see. So I'm gonna throw in a quick little time lapse, and we gonna get it started. All right, so we got the Ground Zero. It's looking pretty good, pretty minuscule. I pulled that out with ease. I'll show y'all right here. Like this one was actually smaller than the destroyer that I have. What is it called? The Rockville destroyer that I have is actually significantly bigger than this. So I know that Godzilla is really trumping this thing, and they're all 15 inches. They're all 15 inches. This have a similar type basket as well, but I like how this got vents at the bottom, right in there, right under the spider, which is very nice. You know, leading into the coil area. So I got this leaning because I want to do a size comparison. I know it's bigger, duh, but I want you guys to see the difference between what I got and what I'm about to put in here right now. It's pretty heavy, so give me a second. Okay, so put that down. I can do that now. Bring big cousin. I can get close for y'all now. So we got our big boy Godzilla right here, and we got our Ground Zero that's been shaking the block, beating it up for the longest. But look at that difference. Insane. Both 15 inches. The mag difference is everything is significantly larger. See how this? Notice that has the one, look like maybe double tensils up right there. Look at that. Triple. Big boy triples. Big lips. Bro, it's insane. 4-gauge terminals. I was able to stick 2 of the 6s in there, which I couldn't in there. I had to stick some little scrawny wires up in there, the 14 gauge or something like that. But it's insane. Well, I'm gonna drop it in here. A couple of seconds, another time lapse. I'm gonna show y'all how this mug slapping. fucking way. I went to the to get another box for I already had. And look at her. You put it on some other. Better than what we got right now. Something that actually got some slack in it. That's nice. I ain't gonna lie. Carbon fiber. This first blast. Look at those lips, bro. It sound really good. I can't complain at all.
I belong to nobody. I belong to the streets. Streets hate.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Baby girl, you know the move. I dress these hoes. I know.
That's nice, bro. That's not bad at all. I like that. Got the imp slapping, and I like how it's all on the inside when I got the windows up. It's nice. All you hear is slap. I might as well take the light out. They done ripped the rubber off that light. Might as well take that out. It's punchy. Super punchy. That's what I wanted. I wanted a little more punch. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I might do 215s. But this is 4700 RMS on the Big Boss 5K. Fire, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Well, my power. A lot of people be asking about power and stuff like that. I just got big 3. 2 runs coming from the no, 3 actually. I just took off my, it's like a little tether. I took it off, put me a distribution block on there, and then still got it to my fuse block. Got 1 ground here and 2 grounds here on the inside. Well, right here on the chassis, and then in the back. I don't know, my uncle gave me that. Oh, 24. Oh, okay. Let me turn that down. But yeah, so then this is my amp for my, that'll have my horns on it. My 1 horn. But I'm gonna get these hooked up and I'm gonna have them going. I'm gonna have them in the box. They're gonna be facing, or sitting up like this. This is gonna be open still. They'll be sitting up like this, facing forward. Like a face, not even a box. But that's gonna be hooked up to that, and then I'll still have my horn on the outside. I got it hooked up already out here. Police is gonna love that, so I have to make sure I have a switch. I had it on already. I got my first complaint, so I'm like, up on the police. Well, nobody but the police, of course. So, I don't know. It looks good though, y'all. That's what we got going on. But yep, that's the imp, y'all. It's nasty. One nasty baby. I ain't gonna lie. Let's see if we can get one more good slapping going. I like this one. This one actually slaps. Look at that, bro. Like, this beautiful. Look at that, bro. Oh, that's insane, y'all. Insane. That's nice. And then I like how it sounds on the outside. Like, they don't hear my stuff screaming unless I wanted to until I roll those windows down. My face, of course, you're gonna hear that just a little bit. You let it all out, and it actually makes it everything on the screen. Oh, I got a little bit, but yeah, we're gonna get this guy. We're gonna let it do its thing. But it screams, it beats how I want it to. It ain't gonna. And then I got my words, and then the horn is gonna be because I got this much louder. So that rattle is gonna make sense when it's doing that. It looks pretty good though. It's not bad at all, y'all. Like, it slaps, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, inside and outside. I like it, but yeah, that's what I got going on. That's the American-based Godzilla for y'all. And it's still a break-in period. I slap with my break-in period. I really don't mind. But I'll be having after this, I need to upgrade power, of course. Of course. I'm going to get a bigger battery. I'll get a bigger battery up front. I'm going to do my big 3 over. Well, I got to add better grounds. I actually got to add an aux ground. So I really ain't got the big 3 actually. so yeah, thanks for watching. That's what I got going on. I'm about to go and get out of here. You know, I got some slapping to do.